friends, in this video we are solving problems on method of variation of parameter. Given problem is solve by using method of variation of parameters d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x into sin x. So first we have to compare the given differential equation with the standard form. That is in the standard form only we have to write. What is the standard form of the given differential equation of the second order is d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y is equal to r of x. Okay. So this is the standard form for the method of variation of parameters. Here you see d square y by dx square quotient is unity. Yes, here also unity. So you can compare directly. So here p of x is equal to minus 2 we have, q of x is equal to 0 and r of x is equal to e to the power of x into sin x. First you write the given differential equation in a operator form. Okay, in the operator form we can write d square minus 2d into y is equal to e to the power of x into sin x. So here you see this is in the form of f of d into y is equal to r of x, where r of x is equal to e to the power of x into sin x. E to the power of x into sin x. Now f of d into y is equal to r of x. General solution what we have? General solution we are denoting with y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. So now which method we are doing? Using method of variation of parameter. Friends, you see step 1 we are getting the complementary function. For the general method, variation of parameter method and general method, complementary function is as it is. So how to find the complementary function? We are taking r of x as a 0 for f of d into y is equal to r of x, right? So let y is equal to e to the power of mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. Then auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. Friends, you see if you are substituted y is equal to e power mx, then you will have 2 times differentiation, m square e power mx minus 2 into e power mx. Okay, so e power mx if I take in common, then I will have m square minus 2m into e power mx is equal to 0, because r of x you have 0. Now from this e power mx never 0, so which is 0? M square minus 2m is equal to 0. Now you see f of m is equal to 0 or not? Yes. Now we need to find out the roots for this. M is a common, then I will have m minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 0 comma 2 are the roots. These two roots are the real and different, or else you can say real and distinct. In this case, whenever you have the roots a comma b are the real and distinct, then the complementary function is c1 e power ax plus c2 e to the power of bx. c1 e power ax plus c2 e to the power of bx. Then in this case a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 2. So if you are substituted, then we will have complementary function is equal to c1 e power 0x, nothing but here you have c1 only, plus c2 e to the power of bx. Bx means c2 e to the power of 2x. That's it. Now complementary function is completed. In the step 2 we are finding particular integral. Friends, you see how to find the particular integral in the variation of parameter. So directly we are taking this as particular integral is a of x into u of x plus b of x into v of x. A of x into u of x, b of x into v of x. What is u of x means? C1 quotient. What you have C1 quotient? 1. Okay, this is 1. Next, what is v of x means? C2 quotient, that is v of x. Now here you see C1 we are replaced by a and C2 we are replaced by b. So we need to find out here a of x value and b of x value. So how to find a of x and b of x means? A of x is equal to minus integral of v of x into r of x dx by w of x. So minus integral of v of x. What is the v of x here? A quotient. Here c1 quotient is u, c2 quotient is v. So here u is equal to 1 and v is equal to e power 2x I have written. So v is equal to e power 2x into r of x. R of x is nothing but in the given problem. What they are given in the given? What they are given? E power x into sin x they are given. Now we need to find out Wronskian. What is the Wronskian? Wronskian is a function. Wronskian is the transformation of u comma v, that is we are denoting with u, v, u dash, v dash. Okay, now you see u is equal to what they are given? 1. V is equal to e power 2x. Now u dash, 1 derivative is 0, e power 2x derivative is e power 2x into 2. So if you are simplified, then you will have 2 into e to the power of 2x, which is not is equal to 0. Why we are getting not equal to 0 means here u of x and v of x are two linearly independent solutions into w of x. W of x is equal to, here you have 2 e to the power of 2x. Now we have to simplify this. Friends, you see numerator is containing e power 2x and denominator is also containing e to the power of 2x. So this e power 2x and e power 2x getting cancelled, and denominator is containing 2, I can write outside, then I will have minus 1 by 2 times of integral e to the power of x into sin x. Now here you observe this is the product of the two functions. One is exponential term is there, another one is a periodic function is there. So here you observe both will be, you cannot, if you have differentiated any one of the function, it won't be decrease. So go for the any other formula. So we cannot apply integral uv rule in this case, because integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 and so on. So we are going for the formula. What is the formula? Here you see, if the given differential equation is in the form of e power ax sin bx, given integration, if it is in the form of e power ax sin bx, then the formula for this e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, now you compare the given equation with the above given equation with this formula. Then a is equal to what here? A is equal to 1, and b is equal to here sin x means sin bx, that is b is equal to 1. You substitute a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 in the above formula. Okay, now a of x is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of, this is e power ax, so e power 1 into x means e power x by a square plus b square into a means 1 into sin 1x minus b means 1 into cos 1x. So this is the a of x value. Then we will have minus 1 by, this is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times of 2 is minus 1 by 4 e power x into sin x minus cosine x. Okay, next one, we need to find out the b of x value. What is the b of x formula? We have b of x is equal to integral u of x into r of x by w of x into dx. Okay, what is u have? C1 quotient, that is 1, and r of x is equal to right side of f of d into y is equal to r of x, that is you have e power x into sin x, and Wronskian we have e to the power of 2x into 2. Okay, now we have to substitute these all values in this one, then we will get integral u is equal to 1 into r of x is e power x into sin x by w of x is 2 e to the power of 2x into dx. Now denominator is containing e power 2x, numerator is containing e power x, and this is 1 by 2 constant I can write. Now integral of denominator e power x is there. See, denominator e power 2x is there. This e power 2x I can take as a numerator, then I will have e to the power of minus 2x into e power x. So bases are equal, then power should be added. So e power minus 2x minus x means minus x into sin x dx. Again it is a product of the two functions, and this is in the form of e power ax into sin bx. So what is the formula for this integral of e power ax sin bx dx? E power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. If you compare with the above equation, then you see in place of a I have minus 1, in place of b I have 1. Now in this case b of x is equal to, you see friends, already you have 1 by 2 outside, so 1 by 2 times of, this is e power ax, so e power minus x by minus 1 square means 1 plus 1 square means 1 into a sin bx. What is a? You have minus is there, so minus sin 1x, sin x minus b means 1 into cos bx means x only. Okay. Now you simplify this, then we will have b of x is, here you have both negative terms, so negative term you can write outside, minus 1 by 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. Minus 1 by 4 into e power minus x into sin x plus cos x. So now you have a b of x value. So this b of x value, and previously we got which value? A of x value. So this a of x value and b of x value you substitute in the particular integral. Particular integral we have a of x into u of x plus b of x into v of x. Yes or no? Now you substitute, then we will have, friends, previously we have a of x is equal to minus 1 by 4 times of e power x into sin x minus cos x into u of x. U of x is 1. So 1 into this is as it is, plus b of x into, what is the b of x you have? Minus, this is negative, minus e to the power of minus x by 4 times of sin x plus cos x into e to the power of 2x. V of x is what you have? U of x is equal to 1 and v of x is equal to e power 2x we have. Yes or no? So these are the, if you are substituted, this is a pi. Now you can simplify this, then you will have minus 1 by 4 times of e power x into sin x minus cos x. Here you have minus e power 2x e power minus x. So e power x only we will have by 4 sin x plus cos x. So here the terms, which terms are getting cancelled? This is minus, this is minus. This is sin x, this is sin x. So this is minus cosine x and this is minus cosine x plus cosine x. So these two are getting cancelled in this case. So minus cosine x plus cosine x will be getting cancelled. Then you see minus 1 by 4 times of e power x is a common, then you will have sin x plus sin x. So sin x is also common, so you can say 1 plus 1, nothing but minus 2 by 4 times of e to the power of x into sin x. That is, the particular integral is in this case minus 1 by 2 times of e power x into sin x. Now we have particular integral. Then the general solution is y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So what is the complementary function you have? c1 into 1 plus c2 into e to the power of 2x, and the particular integral is minus 1 by 2 times of e power x into sin x, where c1 comma c2 are arbitrary constants. So is it clear for everyone this problem? Friends, same problem, just they are changing. You see, solve d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x into cos x. So friends, you try to solve this problem. I will tell you the answer. Which formula you have to apply? In the previous, this is e power x into cosine x into, not like x cosine x. Okay. Which formula you have to apply means, you have integral of e power ax cos bx formula we will use. Okay. If you have e power ax into cos bx, then you can write e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. We will use this formula. So you try to solve this problem. Then you will have the general solution is y of x is equal to c1 into 1 plus c2 into e to the power of 2x, because f of d into y is as it is. Okay. Now here only cosine x is changed. In this case you will have minus 1 by 2 times of e power x into cosine x. Okay. Please try to solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video.